make a DIY shampoo bar or hair mask that ended up just fine, good, but it doesn't have that salon quality finish? There's one ingredient that changes everything. A lot of natural hair care can leave your hair feeling heavy or just looking a little flat, especially if you're dealing with fine hair or a lot of breakage. We want the moisture, but we also want the bounce. Enter Hydrolyzed Rice Protein. This is the holy grail for natural hair care. Unlike regular proteins that just sit on top of the hair, this is hydrolyzed protein that sink into the shaft of your hair, moisturizing it from within. At Simply Earth, we don't just source for the price, we source for quality. This stuff is 100% plant-based, and you can trust it in your DIYs. It's the ingredient pros use in their products to increase bounce and reduce breakage. If you're ready to use this ingredient in action, check out Simply Earth's DIY Shampoo Bar Kit. It's made with natural ingredients, and it's what I've used for 2 years now. The recipe is amazing. Hydrolyzed rice protein is super easy to use. You just mix it in with your other wet ingredients. There is one trick though, and that is to make sure you add it once your product has cooled down to 104 degrees or lower. And you don't need a lot, just 2 to 5% of your total product is enough to get the benefits of hydrolyzed rice protein. Stop settling for okay DIY hair care and grab Simply Earth's Rice Hydrolyzed Protein. Mix it with water to create a simple detangler. Try it in our shampoo bars. You're gonna love it. What kind of product do you want to try Rice Hydrolyzed Protein in? Tell me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.